Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use upper chord extensions. These notes add rich color to your harmony, moving beyond basic triads and seventh chords. Think of them as adding extra spice to your musical palette. We'll explore how to identify them, where to place them, and which ones work best with different chord types. Understanding these concepts will significantly enhance your harmonic vocabulary and give your music a more sophisticated sound. To effectively use upper extensions, you must first identify the available tensions. These are the notes that sound harmonious with the underlying chord, avoiding harsh dissonances. A key rule is to avoid extensions that create a minor ninth interval with any chord tone, as this often sounds muddy. For instance, on a C major 7 chord, the natural 11, or F, clashes with the E, creating a minor ninth. Instead, a sharp 11 or F sharp works beautifully. Once you know which extensions are available, the next step is voicing them effectively. Generally, extensions sound best when placed in the upper register of the chord, above the basic triad or seventh. This allows them to float above the harmony, adding sparkle without obscuring the chord's fundamental quality. Try experimenting with different inversions and voicings. For example, a C major 7 chord with a ninth can be voiced with the D on top, or even in the middle, depending on the desired texture. Let's look at some common extensions for different chord types. For major 7 chords, the ninth, sharp 11th, and 13th are frequently used, adding brightness and sophistication. Dominant 7 chords offer a wide array of altered extensions, such as the flat 9, sharp 9, and flat 13, which create tension and resolution. Minor 7 chords typically sound great with the 9th and 11th, providing a smooth, melancholic quality. Experiment with these to find your favorite sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.